Okay, so we're revisiting the custom Game Boy Color I did. There's no sound out of the speaker in there. When you turn it on, it's supposed to make a Game Boy sound, and it doesn't make the sound. The volume wheel is all the way up, and no sound. So I did check the headphone jack, and it does come sound. The sound does come out of that. So all I got here is a couple of replacement speakers. I'm gonna put one in here. I gotta disassemble it. As you can see, there's two wires. You gotta desolder, and I'm gonna use a soldering iron to solder one of these onto here. So give me like a couple minutes or so, and I'll be back, and hopefully the sound will be working on it. Okay, and I got it disassembled now, as you can see. And here you got one solder point and another solder point. You'll just take the solder iron and melt the solder enough where this comes off, and then you just solder one wire to there, and it should work. So I'm going to do that real quick, and I'll be right back. Put it all together. Yep, and now it's soldered in there. I got the old one out. As you can see, it was busted. And so that one is out. I got the new one in. I soldered it down there. It's all good. Everything looks like it's connected. I got the 3 screws in here. So we're about to test it and see if she works. So just give me a moment to put everything back together, and I'll be right back. Alright, so it's back together. Let's see if she is got sound. It looks like she does. Easiest repair I've done in a minute. Like I said, 2 solder points down there. That was it. So, thank you guys.